obujunanizibwa okumonitoringa exercise eno ya covid relief kuruga mu office ya Minister of Gender, Labour and Social Development kandi ito twagabwa Bunyoro sub-region. Bunyoro sub-region harumu esitemu ya Hoima then na municipality ya Masindi hati twachwamo okukora na Honorable Jennifer Namuyangu kandi ogwo najunanizibwa na Bunyoro Affairs mu office ya Prime Minister. Hati obumpikire Hoima nsangire progress eri yamaani nyenkyakara babairege baina abantu 13 bonka ha system baita alindugireho babairaho ikizaira kakaaga kandi omuhendo gwabo guli kenda nebina nenkaaga kandi bandaganiza ngurwe bagirunu baje kwaba mazire kandi obunyayikati Masindi nsangire kandi internet batalibanize na masanyarazi baina omuhendo gwa kanana baitu bakate kama abantu 10 nabakugwamu Nino kugumya ngo hali buragenda kuswekera bajja kwa wayikize nka 13 baitu kandi deadline bali ya kyalero baitu tukwenda kuongera kusaba extension na minister nikyagenzere kukora extension nuko bongere kumalira abantu ba Masindi bagobore mu sente zine za government.
The power shut down since morning and then they have network issues, but I know they will be able to accomplish the task. The categories that are supposed to benefit from this money were given to the town clerk, and we shall request that those people who are not among those categories really forgive us, because we are looking at people who were earning money from hand to mouth, daily money for food, those who lost their businesses now and they are no longer working.
I'm Kavugodeo, Town Clerk of Masindi Municipal Council, and the target in this project exercise of 8,144 individuals, whereby registration was done, and my team, the data entrants, are very busy in the council boardroom entering the data on the online system. When they enter data, the data comes to the dashboard of the town clerk, and the town clerk approves. And so when he approves, it goes to the dashboard or to the system in Kampala.
This money. And I equally want to appeal to the population that the issue of COVID is still very, very critical. Now we are talking about 5 variants in Uganda here. The UK variant, the Wuhan variant, the Indian variant, the South African variant, and the Uganda variant. So people should not relax. We should observe the SOPs as guided by the President and the Minister of Health. And again the other challenge is the prisoners. Many of them are taken to court without being tested. And in the end, many of them have tested positive. So we have resolved in the task force meeting that they should be tested before they are taken to court, so that they don't endanger the inmates now.